Have you ever created a song that sounds great, but one lyric just doesn't work? Or maybe the chorus needs to hit harder. Maybe a verse feels too generic, or maybe the message changed, or maybe you want to take the same song and make it fit a completely different audience. With MusicCreator AI, you don't have to start over. You can replace or rewrite lyrics and create a new version of the song in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the lyric replacement feature works and why it can be so useful for creators, songwriters, producers, and artists. But before we jump into lyric replacement, let's quickly introduce MusicCreator AI. MusicCreator AI is more than just an AI song generator. It's a full music creation suite that lets you generate songs, edit lyrics, separate stems, create MIDI files, convert audio to MIDI, master tracks, and create AI cover versions with different voice models, including training your own or using celebrity voices. So instead of using one tool to make a song, another tool to edit it, another tool to split it, another tool to polish it, MusicCreator AI brings many of those music creation tasks into this platform. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on one specific feature, replacing lyrics. This is especially useful when you already like the song, the melody, or instrumental, but you want to change the words. So let's start by opening a song inside MusicCreator AI. Okay, there are a couple of ways to access the lyric replacement function. And the first way that you can do that is going over to More Tools and then look at all of these options, all these templates that you can use to edit your tracks and create your tracks. But you're going to come all the way to the bottom, and you can do that by clicking AI Music Editor. It's going to be in here where it says transform your music, edit song lyrics, replace music lyrics, things like that. So let's come back, and I'm going to show you the way that I do it. So you would just go to the track with the lyrics that you want to replace, and you would click these three little dots, and you would go to Remix and Edit, and here are your remixing and editing options. And you can do vocal remover, AI stem splitter, you can reuse the style and lyrics, replace section, and mashup. You're going to go right here to replace section. Okay, and here we are. Okay, so if you look, I don't know if you can see this, but this is lightly highlighted. You can see if I move this, you can see the highlight kind of moving off and away from those lyrics when I'm moving or sliding this bar along the top. So what you want to do is land it on the section with the lyrics you want to replace, and then go ahead and make your edits. Let's say I want to change this to, well, first of all, let me have you listen to this section.
I found your note in my coat, folded small like paper snow. Said you'd wait by the old back gate, but the rain came down too late.
Okay, so let's say I want to replace this right here where it says coat, and then I found your note in my boat, folded small like a plastic bag. Said you'd wait by the old black fence, but the rain. And let's say snow, because it is called paper snow. Let's change this to snow. Came down, and let's say 2/10. This is how you do it, guys. It's that simple. Just to come on here, change the lyrics, and hit generate modified version, and let's click that now. And then we'll compare the two, and you can hear the difference. So some of you have asked me the difference between MusicCreator AI and SUNO AI. SUNO AI is my go-to program. I am a singer-songwriter, and I am able to upload my song, my tracks to SUNO, and SUNO does provide more stems than MusicCreator AI, and I grab those stems and I drag them into Logic Pro, and then I add my other instrumentation and my own vocals over those tracks. So I use SUNO as my collaborative partner when with my songwriting. And MusicCreator AI, it does stems, it doesn't do as many as SUNO. And the other thing is, MusicCreator AI does not generate or read the lyrics of the originals that I upload. SUNO does. And then I can reimagine my song into covers and everything. MusicCreator AI, I have to grab the lyrics from my Google Doc and drag them in myself. So again, SUNO is a little bit easier for me, and it's a little bit better for me being a singer-songwriter. But MusicCreator AI has a lot of different audio and editing features and functions like MIDI, right? That's a difference. MusicCreator AI has MIDI, and SUNO has somewhat of a MIDI feature, but it's not working that well. So it really depends on what you're doing and what your purposes are. I do find that the lyric replacement is a little bit easier on MusicCreator AI, but like I said before, the audio quality is the same. And the other thing is, I am still talking right now, and this track is still generating. SUNO almost generates the tracks instantly. So within about 10-15 seconds, the tracks are created. MusicCreator AI, it does take a little bit of time. And as you can see, this is real time. I've been talking and it's still loading. So we will come back to this in just a couple of minutes, but I hope that answers some of your questions regarding the difference between SUNO AI and MusicCreator AI. Both outstanding programs. Oh, and the last thing I have to say is MusicCreator AI does offer creating music videos for your tracks. It can do visualizers and it can do photos. It's introducing 2 other music video features, which says coming soon. So we will see what happens with that. If you want more music video options, you want to head over to OpenArt AI. That is a great program that gives you 4 different options to create music videos. And one of those options is you can clone yourself and you can have your own avatar singing your own song. So I think that's cool too. Looks like the track is done. And let's just take a quick listen to the beginning.
I found your note in my boat, folded small like plastic bag. Said you'd wait by the old black fence, but the snow came down to tense.
Okay, so it definitely changed the lyrics. It kept the feeling the same. I think it changed the music a little bit too. So let's come on down here and listen to the original track.
Blew 'em up, said you'd wait by the old back gate. Folded small like paper snow. Said you'd wait by the old back gate, but the rain came down too late.
Okay, so it did change the melody a little bit, but same feel, same vocal tone, same style. So nice job. That's how you change the lyrics. If you're a professional musician, I would probably just head over to SUNO AI. But if you are just having fun or just getting started, MusicCreator AI is probably the program that you would enjoy the most. Do me a favor and leave me a comment below and let me know your favorite AI music generation program. Like and subscribe to the channel because, like I said, this channel is all about finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs because, my goodness, things are getting so expensive right now. And hopefully I will see you all on the next video.